everyone, I just got this brand new camera and I'm super excited to test it out and show you all about it. So this is a floodlight camera. It has 10 times zoom, which is one of the reasons that I really wanted to try this camera out. It has dual lenses. So one is for wide angle viewing and the other one is for that 10 times zoom. So you can really zoom in and see what is happening outside your house, outside your business, wherever you set up this camera. So this does have a Wi-Fi connection. It also has two-way audio. It can pan until 360 degrees. So again, full view all around outside. You can use it from your app on the phone that you're going to download. It also has cloud storage, and it also will support an SD card if you wanted to use that for storage as well. You can link them to be more than one camera working together. Again, it has dual screen display, color night vision or IR night vision, either one you'd like. Motion tracking and detection. It will alert you if there's any motion on the camera. It'll alert you through that app. It also has a siren alarm that you can set off if you'd like to. And again, it is a smart floodlight. So let's open up the box and take a look at it inside. All right, so inside the box is just some packing materials. There is a user manual right on the top when you open it up. So this is going to tell you exactly how to use the camera so you can quickly set it up. There's the information about how to connect it using the different ports and the floodlight and the sensor and all those different informations. It shows you just where everything is. Here is the app registration that you can use. You can just scan that QR code to get the app ready and up and going. And then there are just a few picture diagrams on the back about how to use the app and how to use the camera. Next, inside is just an antenna that will just screw right onto the camera. Here is a charger cord that we're going to use. So this needs to be plugged into the wall for the camera to work. Then there is just some adapters here that we're going to connect. This usually is a waterproof cover for the cord, so you can use this to really seal the camera and make sure that it's completely waterproof. This will go over any connectors or connections that we have. Here's some mounting hardware, and here is the camera itself. So you can see that it has those different camera parts that we were talking about. So here up top is the wide angle, and then this on the bottom is the dual lens zoom that will give you that 10 times zoom. These two things on the side are the floodlights, and the camera, other than that, is pretty straightforward. So it does have these different connector ports that you're going to use to connect the camera and use it. And that is all for that part. Last little thing inside this box is just a warranty card, so you can go on and it looks like you can get a free accessory gift if you go on and sign up. So that was everything in the box. I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code and get this camera set up and running. So once the camera is turned on, you just need to scan the QR code on the camera with the app, and the camera will instantly start flashing red, and that means that it is connected to the app. And then all you need to do is connect to the Wi-Fi. You can also use those cords to connect the camera directly to your router box instead of using Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is super simple and easy to use. And then you just need to name the device, and you can just select whatever name you'd like. I just chose living room because that is where I was going to point the camera. And then you can set the camera to kind of pair with your room and make sure that you have it exactly centered where you'd like it. Then the app shows you a little bit about how to use it. If you want motion tracking, you can turn that on. If you want lens matching, you can also get those settings ready to go and set up for you. So once you have all those settings ready, you are ready to go. And you can see the camera is actually just scrolling by itself. It's kind of scanning the room. You can drag in the bottom screen to change the center of the camera to kind of get it leveled and squared. And you can see the different angles. One is definitely zoomed on the top, and the bottom one is more a panoramic view. So you can, again, zoom up to 10 times. And you can do all this from the app. So this is what I was recording through the app. You can connect your SD card, as you can see, but the app is very, very useful. It has a lot of different features. You can zoom in on that room, and you can zoom pan around manually if you'd like, using the up and down button. You can use the talk button. You can talk to anyone in the room with the two-way talk. You can zoom in again, like I just showed. You can turn the siren on if you'd like to. And this is all through the app that's super simple to use and really, really easy, as you can see. So this is just what the camera did in record mode. So I pressed record and then had the camera record it. It kind of panned around and looked throughout the room as it noticed that there was a person. It did this on its own through its settings, and it seemed to have a very clear picture. It saved it right to my phone, and it worked really well.